Hi, welcome to Vegan Method. Today I'm making no-bake protein bars. So the first thing we need is a whole jar of good quality peanut butter. It's roughly 350 grams and I've got 150 grams of rolled oats. To add to it, I've got 50 grams of raisins and 20 grams of goji berries and also 20 grams of crushed walnuts. Also adding 25 grams of sunflower seeds, 10 grams of cocoa nibs and 20 grams of chia seeds. So to loosen up the peanut butter, we're going to create a bain-marie using a pot of boiling water, let it simmer and then put the peanut butter in the bowl on top of the pan. I've now added 3 tablespoons of agave syrup to loosen the mixture. We can now take it off the heat and give it a good mix. The peanut butter is still warm, so it's quite pliable at this point. Once we've given it a good stir, we can start to add the ingredients. The first thing that goes in is the walnuts. Then we can add the chia seeds. Again, give it a good stir to make sure it's all mixed in nicely. And now we can put in the cranberries and the raisins and also the seeds and the cocoa nibs. To put it in is the 150 grams of oats, and we also want 2 more tablespoons of the agave syrup. And again, we give it a really good mix to make sure all the oats are well covered with the syrup and peanut butter and they'll start to soak in. Next we transfer the mixture to a Tupperware tub or shaped silicone trays if you want your protein bars to be in a shape. Next I squash it all down to make sure that it's all compacted and all the peanut butter and syrup will continue to soak into the oats. Once I've finished compacting it down, it's nice and flat and it's ready to go into the fridge for a couple of hours to set. After a couple of hours, I've taken it out of the fridge and cut it into squares, which leaves us with a batch of very nutritious protein bars. Enjoy and thanks for watching.